All right, we're gonna talk a little bit about flow monitors. When you get your flow monitor alarm, we already went over how to take apart and look at your flow monitor. Something else I want you to look at is also your foot valve on the pump that you have the flow alarm on. So what you do is you pull your foot valve up out of the tank and you take your foot valve apart, okay? This is another, the same kind of crusty or gooey issue that you might have in your flow monitor, you could also get in your foot valve. Be careful because there is O-rings. You want to look down in there to make sure you're not all crusted up and that you don't have any gunk or debris in there. You also take apart this middle section and be careful again, like I said, there's chemical in there, and you also have O-rings. You don't want O-rings flying off everywhere, okay? But you take a look in here and you make sure that you're clean, okay? This is a little check valve, so you can jiggle that back and forth and make sure you feel the little ball in there going back and forth. Again, take this to a clean water source, clean it up really well, make sure you're free of all debris, any gummy stuff or crusty stuff, and that it's good to go. Bring it back and put it back together. Okay? And basically that's checking your foot valve. I would recommend doing this anytime you take apart your flow monitor. I would take apart your foot valve as well. You got your PPP on and you want to make sure you've exhausted any and all reasons why your pump's not working right, okay? We already went over how to prime your pump. So after you do your foot valve, you're gonna have to prime your pump, and it might take a little bit longer because you have to fill that whole tube up with chemical. But make sure you prime your pump, and good luck.